Wait a minute. This is March 13th, 2010. Here goes Elijah Ambrosia on his first bike ride. Woohoo! Go, Elijah! Go, go, go! Go, keep going! Boom! Okay. Get up and try again. Here we go. Watch this. Come on, Elijah. Hurry. One more time. You can do it. Just do it like...
Go, Elijah!
You ready? All right. Here we go. Hold him.
Keep
go, go. Go, Elijah.
Start pushing.
Go, go, go. Keep going. Paddle. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Go. Woo! Can you turn around? Turn around. You got to keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Paddle. Come on back. That's it.